Okay, for those of you interested in what a front wheel knuckle hub assembly looks like getting replaced, this is it. This is a GSP 948-200 that has a 30 millimeter slash not 30 millimeter. I did this with a 1 inch and 5/8 drive, and that took it off no problem with a high torque impact wrench. And then you've got a steering rod with a tie rod end that has I believe it's like a 19 or 21. Most of these bolts are 19 and 21. This here is a 30 at the bottom for your ball joint, and you've got the 2 bolts for your brake caliper. Not super difficult getting this out, needs a little bit of prying, but generally not a big deal.